Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making beef veggie fried rice. I was actually making a beef sauce and then I realized I had leftover rice, so I just kind of boxed everything up. Add your oil into a heated pan. Now add your minced beef. This minced beef was pre-seasoned with nutmeg, cloves, some onion powder, basically. Now give that a bit of a stir and break it up to ensure that every part is getting cooked. So you will notice it starts to brown. That's fine. It means that it's getting cooked. Still break it up a bit. Now add your bouillon cubes and a bit of cumin. I find that cumin is quite nice when you use it with beef. Add your curry and thyme and save some for later. Add your coarsely blended onion and pepper. By now you know I love peppers anyway. That's scotch bonnet, and then give that a good stir to ensure that it's incorporated into the beef. Now add your chopped carrots and stir. The main reason why we add carrot first among all vegetables is just to ensure that it cooks down quite nicely and reduce the crunchiness. Add a bit of spring onions. Now add your bell peppers. These bell peppers was pre-seasoned already with some fried rice spices. Add your remaining spices of curry and thyme. Add your remaining bouillon cubes and give that a good stir to allow everything incorporate quite nicely. I love stirring sauces. Add your soy sauce and your oyster sauce. I mix them together. This was the reason why I didn't add salt into my beef or into the sauce. It's just so that I don't have too much salt because soy sauce is quite salty. Now put your skillet on top of your oven top. Add a tablespoon of oil. Now add your coarsely blended pepper and onion. By now you know I love peppers, so yeah. Now give that a good stir. It should be sizzling on the pan or in the pan, just like that. Right now you're not adding any extra seasoning, nothing. Just give that a good stir. Add your leftover rice. If you have normal boiled rice, you just add it, and then you break it up into the pan and then fry for like about 3 minutes until it's evenly incorporated. It's fried rice, right? Like you're frying, so just fry. Once completed, add your sauce completely into the rice. Everything, scrape the pan down, add all the juices, just like that. Still on low heat. Stir, give that a very good stir, incorporating the rice with the vegetable beef sauce together. Now you can continue using one spatula, but I find I like using two, especially when incorporating ingredients together in a pot, whether it's pasta, whether it's rice. I just kind of like do that. I'll show you now. Just like this. I turned off the stove and added a bit of spinach because I'm adding extra like vegetable in my meals, and it's ready, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, ciao.